All right, thanks for checking out the channel, and don't forget to click subscribe. We have a sneak peek. We have a kit bashed dual ace that is turned into a British Mosquito. Twin engine 46 FXs. Had to do a sneak peek on it. It is all ready to fly. Dual nitro engines on there, and again they're OS 46 FX engines. Let's take a closer look. You can see they are all ready to go. Now this originally was a dual ace that was kit bashed into this Mosquito, and there's a build thread on it and everything, and I happen to have this about 4 years ago and turned around and sold it, and kind of wish I never did. So we'll take a quicker look. It's painted, and it's been weathered, so it looks really authentic. Very good. We'll take a look at the tail section here. Twin fork tails. It actually flies better and more stable than your conventional single tail. So with the dual tails, it's super stable. You don't have very much to worry about. Take a look at the underside there. Servos are hidden here and here, and you can see under the wing. The yellow shows up excellent. Got some machine gun pods under there for a little bit of scalism. Oleo struts right there, you can see. Very functional, and they help. Servos are embedded in the wings. Very clean looking job. Very clean looking job. Now the hatch is pretty interesting. This is just tape that was this is a dual ace canopy that was modified, and somebody got very smart and decided, hey, let's make this tape, and it's just nothing more than packing tape. So it looks really good. Easy to fix. You know, it's got some holes in there here and there, but what an awesome airplane. So hatch comes off, and your gaggle of wires in here looks like a rat's nest right now because I couldn't help myself. I wanted to do a sneak peek, but you know, dual elevators, rudder, batteries up here, and there we go. This one will be Maiden pretty soon, and it's all dialed in, so be on the lookout for the video when you get a chance. Again, this is the kit bash dual ace, and it looks pretty good. Stay tuned and stand by for the Maiden. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.